Equity in this case is about fairness. Fairness where you get judged on the basis not of what you look like, but on your actual results, on your actual contributions. Fundamentally, the concept is if we disregard stereotypes, if we disregard images we have based on exterior perceptions, but we create a system where people really have an opportunity to show what they can do, we have equity. And hopefully what we start to do today is become much more aware of the gap between what we see and what we think. So what I'm trying to do here is make you more aware of what exists so that you can come up with mitigating practices to make sure people are really included. I think the fundamental business case is that we want to run organizations where people are judged on the basis of what they do, based on what they contribute, based on the results that they produce. Right? That's what merit-based decisions should bring. It should be about fairness. The best reason of all is we want to have access to the full potential of people. So I think that's the real business case for really focusing on ED&I. So it's really about making an environment where all of these people feel that they are accepted, that they belong, and that they really have a chance to showcase their talents. We are more worried about the differences than the similarities. And when we look at each other, the similarities are far greater than the differences. But we spend all our time on the differences. There's lots of things we can do to create a better future for everybody by heightening awareness, improving exposure, changing our behavior, and changing our systems. With that, we can have a much better world for everybody, much better talent, and much better deployment of everybody's potential. Thank you all very much.